Hi everyone, Cataplan here. Today I'm going to show you how to do the edge parity for the 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. I'm going to show you how to do that, but using a simple formula that I call frog riding fish. That's my formula for that. It works for all different numbers of cubes, and as you can see, this is kind of like the parity that I'm talking about. These kinds. So I'm gonna be doing all this, and I'm just gonna show you how to do the frog riding fish algorithm or formula. So let's show you in the screen what I'm gonna talk about first. So the story, just like a little story, and it's called Frog Riding Fish. Upper ride, under ride, upset ride, frog loves fishy lips. It's a unique ride. That's how I call it, and now I'm gonna explain it. So all the F that I have in the whole paragraph or story, all the F are F2s. All the U's are gonna be U2s. So that is very simple. The only part we have to worry about is the R's and the L's whenever they have to go up or down, or as you say, R, regular R or R prime, or L prime. Are gonna be the two ones that are gonna be affected. As you can see, the parity here is like you have this already done. In the 4x4 you have this done, but this one you're trying to finish the cube, and this one, for more that you try to fix it, you can't. So you have to do this algorithm to fix this one here. So for this one, the 4x4, we're gonna start. So this is the two ones that we're gonna work on. This is gonna be the RL, and this is gonna be our R. So let's do this. So frog, so we do 2F, F2, and then writing. So we're gonna do 2 on the R. We're gonna do 2 times 1, 2, and fish. So let's do the fish. So we already did frog, riding, fish. F2, R2, and F2. Now, second line is gonna be the upper ride, under ride, and upset ride. Upper ride, so U2. Upper ride is a U2. Why do I say upper? So it tells me for the next one that is ride, it's going to be an R, but since I say upper, it's going to be going up, upper ride. So the R is going to go up. So I'm going to push it to go up. It went up, and then the next one is going to be under ride. So I do the U2, and then under ride is going down. So I'm going to push this one, the R, down. The upset ride, so U2 for upset, and since it's upset, you just tumble around whenever you're upset or it flips over. So we're gonna do an R2. 1, 2. Okay. So now we go to the third line. Is frog love fishy lips. So frog is F. Frog loves. Loves is LO, so LO means I just changed VES for W, so it's low, so it means the L is gonna go down, so I push this one down. So love, fishy, so F again. Lips, so lips, not the lips of kiss, lips like jumps, so jump up, so that's why we're gonna put the L up. And then the fourth line is it's a unique ride. So it's a, we don't have to use that. So we're gonna use only unique and ride. So unique is gonna be 2, U2. And then ride, as you can see, it's just going up. And there we go. We flip it over. So for the 5x5, we have this situation here. So to flip this over, so we're going to do the same thing, the same formula. So let's start again. Frog, so F2. Writing, so we're going to do 2 R's. 1, 2. Fish. Upper right, so U2, and then since it's upper, so right goes up, the one that is affected. Under right, U2, and then under is gonna go down. Upset right, so U2, and then the right is gonna go 180. So we're gonna do it all the way to the back, and then just bring this one back. And then we got third line, frog loves fishy lips. Frog, so F2. Loves, again, LO, so dot low, so L goes down. Love. Fishy, so F2. Lips, so L, it goes up. So we push it up. Then the last line is a unique, so unique is U2 and right, so you can match the R up, and that's it. And you see, you fix the parity right there. And I use exactly the same formula from the 4x4 to the 5x5. So does it work on more? Yes. So let's do 6x6. So we have this parity right here, and we have the regular parity here. So if this happens, so let's do this one. But in this case, instead of using 1 R, we're gonna use 2 of them. So we're gonna move this. This is gonna be our R, and this is gonna be our L, and separate. So we're gonna flip this 2 and this 2 at the same time. Okay, and that way we can fix the whole parity. So having this in the front, we're gonna flip this over. So frog, writing, so we're gonna grab the whole thing. 1, 2, bring this one back. Writing, and then fish, F2. Okay, now the second line, upper, right. So upper, you're gonna do U2 and right. So upper, since it's upper, so then you have to bring these 2 up. Right, and then under right, so U2, and then we bring it down, under right. Now upset right, U2, and then we're gonna do a 180, so R2, 2, and bring this one back because we don't want it damaged. And then we finish with the second line. Now we're going to the third line. Is frog loves fishy lips. So frogs, frog, love. So left, it goes down. Love, fishy. So F again. Lips. So lip up, lip. And then we go to the fourth line. It's a unique ride. So unique is U2 and ride. We bring it up. And there we go. You flip this over, and all the others are still in the same place. Okay, and then you can finish it up from there. So the other one we had, it was this one here in the same 6x6. So if this happens to you, so then we can do the same formula, but this is gonna be, we're gonna be moving only these 2, one here. There's gonna be our R and L. So this one we're gonna treat it like the center of the 5x5. When we did this one, so this 2 is gonna be only 1. So we're gonna do the same thing here. And we use that same formula again. So let's do this. So again, frog, writing, so this one, 1, 2, and then bring this one back. Right, we did writing and then fish. Now we flip it and we do the upper and right. So upper, right, so bring this one up. Under, right, down. Upset, 1, 2, and then offset is going to be 1 R2, 1, 2. Bring this back. And then frog loves, so oops, it's low, so we bring this one down. Love fishy lips, so lip L up. And then we do, it's a unique, it's a U2, and then ride R up. And there we go. We fix this ones. And then you finish whatever you need to finish in the other one. Okay, but that worked for the 6x6 to different parities, so you can fix that. Now, we have the 7x7. So we have this parity, we have this parity, and we have this parity. So we have 3 different ones in this situation here. So let's start right here. So these 2 are gonna be my R, my L. This one I'm not moving, so I'm gonna do everything there. So let's go. So we start with the first line, frog, so F2, riding, so 1, 2, and bring this back, fish, okay, upper ride, upper, ride, under, ride, upset, ride. You do, and then R2, 1, 2, because you're upset. Now go with the front. Frog love fishy lips. So frog loves, so L down, fishy, F, lips, so L up. And then it's a unique, so U, ride. And there we go. This is the one we were trying to fix, and we did it. We fixed that one. We rotated that. So let's work with this one. Again, this is our R, L. All this is gonna be our center, so we're not gonna touch this. We're just gonna work with these ones here. Okay? So let's do this. So frog, riding, fish, upper, ride, under, ride, upset, ride, frog, loves, fishy, lips. It's a unique, ride. And there we go. We fixed that. Now to this case. So this is my R and L. We're not touching none of the other ones, okay? So let's start. Frog, riding, fish. Okay, now we do upper, ride, under, ride, upset, ride, frog, loves is down, loves, fishy, lips. It's a unique, ride. And there we go. Fixed it. And that's it for all those. I don't have the 8x8 or 999, but I know it works for all of them. And you can try it on this one too. This cuboid. The only ones that they're not gonna work are on these ones. because as soon as you try to flip these ones here, this is going to rotate, this side is going to go on this side, and this one on opposite, so it's going to mess it up. The same on this ones. It's going to mess up everything, so it's not good. This equation or formula doesn't work on these ones. Those are bad for that, but all the other ones, it works properly. So all of them. So you just have to finish them up after you do that equation. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe here for future videos and anything else that I can help with. If you have any ideas, also send it through the comments and let me know if this video helped you out. Thank you. Bye.